So a good bit of Belfast, I've been walking here, so I might as well chat. A good bit of Belfast, some of the old areas, from as far as I can, some of the old areas are still kind of separated and segregated, and it's kind of self-imposed. Like areas along the Shankill and the Falls, though, they can't really integrate because there's these giant peace walls between them. But from what you could see, is like the people are kind of used to it. And then you have others now. I've never been to New Lodge. It's the first time walking through it, going to Tigers Bay, because I just saw, I was using Google to find murals, but a lot of the old, like really sectarian ones or really paramilitary ones, they've been taken down and replaced with more like community friendly ones. So a few of them are gone. Okay, I can see a flag. I can't see the bloody way to get to it. Okay, oh, we have a few of them here. Jesus Christ. So these are obviously for Tigers Bay. So this one is simply the best. So that's one. And that's Tigers Bay, so that's must be one for the area. And then, so you see all the footpaths are all painted. I'm surprised with a Union Jacket there. They'll probably take it down later, I presume. So yeah, I don't know. Also freedom fighters, I'm assuming. It's a red hand in the middle. There's one bonfire. And then a little one there. And Queen Elizabeth.